2 weeks apart. Fair bit of growth there, isn't there? It's funny how things change when you go away for a couple of weeks and then you come back and look at it. They seem to grow quicker than normal, but obviously it's because you're not seeing it every day, isn't it? There's the dog. He's not grown, he's just appeared. Grass needs a cut. There's been a bird that's been, I think, caught by a cat, I reckon. So all that needs cutting. Eucalyptus. It's growing massive, growing loads. They do grow quick though. Garden tower there, look, it's massive. It's going to need cutting back. Olive tree, looking a bit, no olives though. That needs cutting back. Cut that off and that. Mint looking a bit sorry for itself. Spilt my coffee, but yeah, it's looking alright. Lovely hydrangea, honeysuckle. I think the jasmine's coming out.